Yo, what is up everybody, and welcome to the first video of 2021. I just want to give a big shout out to you guys. Last year we were able to get 13,000 subscribers on our channel. That's over 1,000 subscribers a month. Thank you very much, and keep on hitting the subscribe button. As you can see, we're a full packed house. Got some 90-mile-an-hour GPs, turbo bills going down. We did a pump shoe over here, engine build over here. So we got a lot of stuff going on already in 2021. Angel's actually going to be recording from his point of view. He's got to pick up a 2018 Yamaha VXR at our customer's house. It is on a boat lift, while I run to Miami and pick up the engine for that ski. And I'm literally going to the other coast, about 2 hours away, to go get this motor from a local shop down there that we deal with. We're gonna do that. I'm gonna hop into it, guys. You're gonna see Angel's point of view, my point of view, get some work done, and get this year started. We'll see you in the video. Heck, thought I heard something over here. Yo, just to show you guys, we are in the middle of a gas station. We got like roosters over here or something making all this noise. Look at these guys. These guys, what are y'all doing? Go sleep. All right, so we are headed to Miami. It's about almost 5 right now, I think, in the morning. It's like 4:30, something like that. I don't know, I'm half asleep still. So, but it's cold out here. Getting some fuel in the car. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. We out of here. I'm half asleep, guys. I don't even know what to say. I'll see you guys later.
Alright guys, little change of pace for you here today. I am actually about to leave my house. I'm gonna go pick up a Yamaha VXR with a blown engine. But the trick is that it's on a customer's dock, and her JP is actually on the way to Miami right now. He left at like 4 in the morning, I think, so he's probably almost on the way back to get the motor for this ski. So I gotta go get this on my own. If you see, I got the spark back there. Ski's mess, but I got the spark back there. I'm gonna go pick it up. Hopefully it's not too choppy out, because it's like 51 or 52 degrees out right now, and I don't really feel like getting wet. So I guess yeah, you guys will be along for the ride, so we'll see how this turns out. Alright guys, so we're on the beach. We're gonna go through this no wake zone, go pick up Scott's VXR, and begin the journey back to the ramp. Thank God it's not rough out, because that would have been interesting to watch, because this water's freezing. So I'm gonna bring you guys along for the ride. Well, one part of the mission is done. Well, I guess halfway done, because we're still on the way back with our little project for today. While Julio, I believe, I'm pretty sure he's on his way back from Miami, and if he's not, then we should probably get a move on, bro. We got work to do today. But yeah, I think Julio was making it a challenge that we are gonna do everything on this ski in one day. I think we can do it. I think it could be done. What do you think? Oh wait, never mind, it's dead. About to bring it back to life though.
All right, guys, so we finally made it back to the shop. Been up since 5 in the morning. It's almost 10 o'clock right now. And in addition to the VXR that we're doing the A engine, that we're doing the engine swap to, we have our boy Caleb, South Florida Jet Skis, coming in today to do his stage 2 with us. So we're gonna be knocking that thing out. I'm gonna go ahead and prep everything right now so you guys know the drill. We're doing the cam, valve train, supercharger wheel, injectors, you know, the tune, the whole 9 yards, impeller wearing, the whole shebang. So I'm gonna prep the space for Caleb when he shows up. As soon as he shows up, I'm gonna start knocking that out. Angel should be right behind him, and we're gonna try to pull the motor out of that as well and put it back in today if everything goes smoothly. So stage 2 and a VXR engine swap today, as long as everything goes smooth. All right guys, so there is the VXR. It doesn't look too bad of shape, but as soon as I went and started it up, all you can hear is rod knock. So this motor's definitely coming out. We have the new motor inside of the Explorer still. Haven't had a chance to get that out, but Angel got right to work, man. He's picking up.
What? You stopped talking.
Yep.
Why'd you stop talking?
Because I forgot what I was gonna say. He's picking up where I left off, so I already completed 1 cylinder. He's gonna take care of the other 2. And then we gotta stick, of course, a fizzle intercooler inside of this bad boy. And, you know, get the intake manifold, everything put back in there, and that should be good to start. And I'm just gonna chug along at this, pull this motor out. Hopefully everything goes smoothly. We can drop the new motor in and maybe get this thing to start today. All right guys, as you can see, the motor's out, but this thing is freaking nasty in here. Look at all the stuff that's all oil that's been in there. Angel's finishing up this thing. So just grinding away, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and get all the accessories from the current motor off of here, put it onto the new engine that we have, drop it in, see if it fires.
This is how you do this? It's a Yamaha.
Oh, I don't know. We don't work on Yamahas here. But like I said, hose clean as much as it's gonna be. New motor's prepped, all the hoses, all the extra little sensors, everything that we had to transfer from that from that motor to this one. Where you going, bro? Papo, people, saca eso, people.
I'm just laughing at you, bro. Leave me alone. What do you do? I'm just.
All right, so I still gotta prep like the inside of the hole. So
Prep what?
this is dirty. It's dirty here. I have to clean.
It's dirty again?
Yes. All right, guys. Motor is in, wired up. We already did the first start, but just so you guys can hear it. It's almost like what?
We know what we're doing.
It's my first time. I have no idea. I just kind of. All right, there you have it. Yamaha VXR 2018. Picked up in the morning, engine pulled, cleaned up, engine in, started, delivered, 1 day. I've been up since 5 in the morning, drove 2 hours to Miami, picked up the engine that we needed for this VXR right here behind me, removed this engine, cleaned out the whole inside, cleaned out the whole ski, set everything up, got the new motor in, installed it, turns on, runs fine. So needless to say, this thing is already done, and there's still so much work hanging around, and it's not even that it takes us a while to do the work. Obviously you guys see we pump in and out all the time the skis, and this is literally one day we did this whole swap and got the ski going. So it's just, man, we are slam jammed. It's January and I don't even know if we'll have space during the summertime, to be honest, when everything picks up. But yeah, this stage 2 is all done as well. We're waiting on the supercharger wheel to get here. This yellow RXT came in for some work, electrical issue. So yeah, man, we're just grinding, knocking things out. I'm gonna test this thing tomorrow, test the stage 2 tomorrow, but it's like 4 o'clock, guys. I'm exhausted and I'm out of here. Angel already left, he got the jump on me, so we'll see tomorrow. All right, guys, as you can see, we have made it to the Cape Yacht Club. The river is completely flat, nothing like yesterday. Yesterday was a tsunami out here. So I have the Yamaha parked over there on the beach already. We're gonna go ahead and pull this thing out, go park this up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take the journey over to my customer's house. We basically gotta go like all the way over there on the corner. So it's definitely gonna be a little hike. I got one of my customers coming to the shop around 11:15, 11:30 to pick up one of their GPs from Jacksonville, the one that does 93. And yeah, so get this thing recorded and get done with work. It's Saturday, it's 9:30, it's cold outside, but we're still grinding, man. Still getting it done. On the water, just off the ramp. I gotta take this thing way far, so I'm gonna time lapse the whole ride over there, see my customer, and he's gonna take me back to my truck. So let's get it going. Alright guys, I'm going to show you a little bit of the scenery out here. It's a very, very nice area. Got some nice houses, badass boats, skis everywhere. So we got to make it to the red dot we're over here. So got to go this way and then just hug it to the right till we get there. So almost there, freaking cold. I just got yelled at by some old guy on the dock. Slow down! Oh man, I'm not slowing down. Alright, so we're gonna get this out of here. Alright, I am now trash man as well. So like I said, coconuts we could avoid, but that'll ruin our jet ski day. So seen Scott already. There's other skis right here. He's gonna probably drop the lift, get the ski on, should be good to go. Yo, what's up, Scott? Let me get a room in here, man. Let's see what he says. Hey, hey, hey! Yep, I'm here. We're here. Got you on video, man. Put you on YouTube. Alright guys, we had a little issue with this lift over here, so we had to modify this one and get it going. So skis on the lift, delivered. He's gonna run and get me a check, take me back to the ramp, and we are done here today. Alright guys, so we finally made it back to the shop. As you can see, Cliff's GP 1800 is out of here. He picked it up, paid the bill, and is taking it back to Jacksonville. So yeah, with that being said, we're pretty much done for today's episode, man. We did a lot. Did the stage 2, the complete VXR swap. As you can see, the old motor's right here. We're gonna tear into that probably next week, see what kind of damage it has. I'm pretty sure it has rod knock, so it's gonna probably need a crank rod, yada, yada, yada. So we'll rebuild that thing, either have it on the side for one of my skis if it blows up, or if somebody else needs an engine, we'll have one ready to go. So, yo, this thing is still here. Let me know if you guys are interested in purchasing this monster. I gotta get rid of it if you guys want to see me grow and do some more stuff with the 21 ski. So that's still here, runs great. Let you guys hear it. Still for sale, still running. Whoever wants to let me know. So yeah, be out of this shop here. It's Saturday. I'm not working today. So see you guys in the next episode.